Hello everyone, now we are going to solve the questions based on the gyroscopic couple. Gyroscopic acceleration is due to change in what? The magnitude of linear velocity, direction of linear velocity, magnitude of angular velocity, and the direction of angular velocity. First, it should be clear that there is no linear velocity role in the gyroscopic acceleration. So, either answer is C or D. We have to calculate which one is correct. See here, if I'm talking about the gyroscopic acceleration, total gyroscopic acceleration, so it is basically equal to d omega by dt, that is responsible for magnitude, plus omega omega p is responsible for the change in direction of angular velocity. This is responsible for change in direction of angular velocity. Basically it is known as what? Gyroscopic acceleration. So what is the correct answer? Magnitude or direction? Direction of angular velocity. This is responsible for change in direction. This is responsible for change in magnitude. Change in magnitude of angular velocity. Okay, so option D would be the correct answer. So